Before we begin, make sure you have the VMware Workstation installed and the Windows Server 2022 ISO ready to go. If you don't have them, you can download them from the official VMware and Microsoft websites. Start by creating a new virtual machine. Select Custom, Advanced, so we have full control over the configuration, then click Next. Now, create a new virtual hard disk. I'll set the size to 60 gigabytes, which should be plenty for testing purposes. For performance, I recommend allocating at least 2 processor cores and 4 gigabytes of RAM. If your hardware allows, you can increase these for better performance. Next, choose Installer Disk Image File, ISO, and browse to where you saved the Windows Server 2022 ISO. Power on the VM, and you'll see the Windows Server 2022 setup screen. Click Next and then Install Now. Select Windows Server 2022 Standard, Desktop Experience, so you get the graphical user interface. Then, click Next. Choose the virtual hard disk we created earlier and click Next. Windows will now start the installation process. Once the installation completes, you'll be prompted to set a password for the administrator account. Go ahead and set a strong password. Let's see you in part 2 video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Trouble Solver for more tips and tutorials.